In this video, we'll discuss how to change out the halogen light bulb in your range. Before replacing the oven light bulb, disconnect the electrical power to the oven at the main fuse or circuit breaker panel. Failure to do so may result in electric shock or burn. Make sure the oven is completely cooled down, then remove the oven racks for easy access to the oven light. The glass cover and bulb should be removed when cool. Touching hot glass with bare hands or a damp cloth can cause burns. Once the oven and light cover are cooled down, turn the glass cover counterclockwise until the glass is removed. Wearing latex gloves may offer a better grip. Using gloves or a dry cloth, remove the bulb by pulling it straight out. Use a new 120 volt or 130 volt halogen bulb. Replace the bulb with the same type of bulb that was removed. Consult your owner's manual for specific instructions for replacing the bulb. Using gloves or a dry cloth, remove the new bulb from its package. Do not touch the bulb with bare fingers. Oil from skin will damage the bulb and shorten its lifespan. Push the new bulb straight into the receptacle all the way. Now replace the glass cover. For improved lighting inside the oven, clean the glass cover often using a wet cloth. This should be done when the oven is completely cooled and the light is off. Reconnect electrical power to the oven. Be sure to replace any oven racks that may have been taken out. Now you can continue to cook and monitor your food with your new oven light. For more information about our products, visit geappliances.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.